something about the Varna system. Few used to say it was created by the Brahman, so it was not true. It's look like Varna system was created by the Rishabdev, Elias Ikshwasu, Elias Adinath. I will tell in detail why it will look like, and it was also said as per Jain they have saved this knowledge. Like only three was there. First was Kshatriya, and second position was Sudra, and third was coming Vaisya. Brahman was the fourth. And those are saying it was the worst thing. So first they should aware about one system was based upon the separation of the concern, and separation of the concern is one of the best design pattern to manage the uh, things. Like even though in software this is also available, and even though those stupid used to criticize in Indian constitution that is also based upon the separation of the concern, where it was said like this is Nyayapalika judiciary system will first is parliament that will make the policies, judiciary system will uh, do validate what is the made and ensure that should be the follow what is the made by the parliament, and third is the execution body. So there is the three system they have already just copy paste from the separation of the concern. Based upon that, it was also designed this thing. Kshatriya will the rule will take care about all these things. Then it was that time Sudra, because that time who will provide the food and other thing. Sudra was the technical peoples, and third was the businessman. Then it was realized because Rishi was above the Varna system because he was living in jungles and other thing. So fourth was made as just you can say assistant of the Rishis. So fourth Brahman was the assistant of Rishis, but later on this Rishi tradition was vanished. So now there are two. One is not available. First is Kshatriya and Brahman. So they are not effectively the Kshatris and available. Only most of the people you can say Sudra or they become the businessman or Vaisya. So don't criticize without knowing the proper thing.